If you have a MIDI controller with knobs, sliders, or wheels, you may want to map these physical controls to virtual ones. There's just something nice about having tactile control that feels good when you're working in a DAW. Most synthesizer plugins, for example, make use of the mod wheel, which is MIDI CC1. In this Zebra 2 synth patch, I should be able to push the mod wheel to create vibrato. However, it's not working because I haven't yet linked that up in FL Studio. In the browser, I'll navigate to Zebra 2 within my current project folder. Then I'll scroll down to find MIDI CC1 on the list, right-click, and select Override Generic Link. Here, I could manually specify which physical knob on my MIDI controller will affect this virtual control. However, it's even easier to just leave Auto Detect checked off and then to move the desired physical knob, in this case, the physical mod wheel. As soon as you do this, the settings box will disappear and the control will be linked up. When I play the Zebra 2 patch now and use the mod wheel, as you can hear, it corresponds to the virtual one and I get vibrato. When you use Override Generic Link, as I just did, this means that when you start a new project using the same plugin, that link will remain the same. You only have to do this once, and you can change it anytime if you'd like. On the other hand, if you selected Link to Controller, the link would only persist for this one project, as opposed to every project. Another way to link up a control, which works for almost everything, is to click the Multi-Link to Controllers button. Then, touch the control in FL that you want to link, and finally, move the physical knob or slider on your controller. Though this doesn't work for every third-party plugin or control, it's very fast, so you should always try it first. There are two other methods of finding and linking up controls. One is to click Browse Parameters for a plugin in your current project, which will show all automatable or linkable parameters. The other way is to move the control you want to link in the plugin itself, so here I'm moving the filter cutoff of Massive, and then go to Tools, Last Tweaked. This is especially convenient if the plugin has poorly labeled controls,